On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear. Eight pair of eyes, onwards ever go. December day, on this cold December day.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, da 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 da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday, it's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories.
Now please, sit back, relax, and enjoy your journey on the Polar Express.
And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold.
Okay, guys, grab a couple up with me. you know. He must be here somewhere.
May I have your attention, please? Are there any Polar Express passengers who would like to meet Santa?
Billy Woods!
Well, you're all in luck tonight. Santa is on board to meet each and every one of you.
Now, folks, if we all sit quietly in our seats, I'm going to see if Santa's ready to say hello to you all. 1, a 2, a 3. Hello, Santa!
On Christmas Eve, then I'll be able to find you. That man, Kingsley and tracking device. Don't tell him. How are you? Keeps everybody here? Did you have your hot chocolate?
It was lovely, yes.
All right, later. Maybe get out of hospital, something like that. It stops you getting COVID. You die before you get it.
There we go. Oh, yes, everyone gets a load. There you go. Have we all been good this year over here? Yes, that's what I like to hear.
Hello there, folks. How far did I get for these tickets? I believe I was missing a few, wasn't I? Whose tickets am I missing? Another Frank. There you go. Who else am I missing over here? One more Frank. One more Frank. Trent. Pick up the leg. Let's press the jet today. How's that? Cross it, get over here. And then, for a second, I thought you were something little Frank. There you go. Who else are missing? Tickets, please. So yours will shut it now. T for Paul. How are we doing over here, folks? We enjoying ourselves? Good, I'm glad to hear that. There you go, man. What's your name? Jay. Jay. Thanks, Jay. There you go, ma'am.
Thank you.
Am I on film? Am I going to be a star? I sound loud. What's your name now? Savannah. There you go, ma'am. What's your name, sir? Billy. Billy. Would you believe it, Billy? He's the hottest ladder there is. Let's see how this thing goes. There you go, sir. Merry Christmas to you all, folks. Merry Christmas, whoever's watching. Jesus.
When it's Christmas time, I light up a fire, gather friends and family. Have a bite to eat and some Christmas sweets, chilling out and watch TV. Wrapping up the gifts with my fingertips, making up some fancy rhymes. Just got something fun for my special one, but my love don't cost a dime. Waiting for Santa to come, he'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young, I hear sleigh bells in the snow. Holding on to a bunch of reindeer, he'll be making his rounds. Working hard
I'm not one of them, the three wisest men, but I got an open heart. If you feel alone, just stop by my home. I don't care about who you are. If you make the trip, have a little all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. On a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ha, ha, ha. Someone tells me, make your spirits rise. Oh, it's to ride and sing and sleigh song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Talking about the good old times, how they did it then, back in Bethlehem, when the legend came to life. I'm waiting for Santa to come. He'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young. I hear sleigh bells in the snow, holding on to a bunch of reindeer. He'll be making his rounds, working harder for every year. When the Christmas spirit's all over the town.